Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Versace sunglasses model VE4361 in color code 5318-87. The color of the frame is hot pink, and these glasses are rectangular shape. The lenses are gray. The temples are also hot pink, and you'll find the Versace Medusa in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Versace logo that is made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Versace gift box, a Versace case with the Versace logo in gold on the front of the case and also on the inside of the case. A Versace booklet, a Versace black cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.